Welcome to Honor War! This was my very first time using this new camping setup at a lovely event in Eastern Washington with the Society for Creative Anachronism, or SCA, a very fun historical group that I like to participate in. And it was also Butterscotch's very first time camping. Hey, baby! We arrived at site on Friday night. It was a very long drive from north of Seattle. We were able to get set up, get some dinner, get settled in, and then Saturday we were ready for all the fun to begin. Hello, let's go to class.
Ankle to ground, wool, linen, heavy cotton. You can take it in at the waistband, keeps it pretty easy. And then where I start to do some kind of fun stuff is like kind of the classic intro medieval bodice, or it's like kind of a jacket of some sort. I do a lot with like vests off the length and then add tabs like up at the shoulders or at the bottom. So you can do a lot of really kind of fun stuff to make it look like pretty period.
Here we are getting ready for the rapier battle. One thing that's very unique and beautiful about this site is that the fighting is right here on the beach. It's absolutely gorgeous, and I really enjoyed watching both the rapier battles and the heavies battles, which you will see next. Butterscotch did really well, especially as she started adjusting to the tent and realizing that it was a safe space and a home for her. She has since gotten even better at camping. Honestly, I think the treats help a lot. She does get plenty of treats when she camps. And now it's off to court, where people get to be recognized with awards and accolades.
Ulfgar the Gentle and Yahara the Mighty, rightful sovereigns of Antir, find themselves guided by the enduring words of Master Frederick Rogers of the neighborhood and of the red sweater. Quoth he, look for the helpers. There are those who toil throughout our realm and are the very foundation of this magnificent land through their selfless labors of love. The foundation of our kingdom is stronger when one acts as a helper for a score of more of years. We are moved to affirm that devotion. Thus we recognize our Nora Grimsdottir with the honor of the Lion's Strength. April 13th, AS 58, Ulfgar King, Yahara Queen.
We all know court is better with snacks, and since this was my friend's first event, he was given this lovely hat as a welcome gift to the Kingdom of Antir. After court, my friend Katie, or in the SCA Lontany, and I went for a beautiful walk around the site just in time for golden hour and that perfect time for photos. For my outfit this weekend, I went way back in time to the Bronze Age. This is a shirt and a sprung hairnet that I made in a prior video, and the skirt is just a rectangle of fabric that is belted. Lontany went a little more classic Middle Ages. Her outfit is 14th century, and we made sure to get some lovely shots of this brand new hood that she created. One of my personal favorite parts of camping events is the partying in the evenings. It always seems like people are having such a great time, and this was a good one. In fact, in the evening there was a bardic competition where people can do any sort of song and dance and poetry, anything that's classified as bardic.
S with a C with an A, S with a C with an A, S, C, A.
For the knights will get the glory, the king will keep his throne. We won't be in the story, our names will not be known.
Last ain't got a chance to grab your slack, gives a grunt and heaves around and puts your sword and him into the ground.
That ain't working. That's the way you do it. Get you all guilty for nothing. Get your speech.
And a barrow for our bed, and the blood of our enemies to dress us both in red. Servants cry, but the baby just lays there, breathing heavy sighs. So amused
pleased by this, said, if this is so, let us have tea. And we will see, once we have had tea, if you are as the Sultan.